As you know, it is springtime, and with spring comes summer, and we all know that eating healthy and exercising and all of that kind of comes into full swing as we get into spring, because for summer we want to look our best, we want to feel our best, you know, there's lots of bathing suits, short shorts, skirts, all of that kind of stuff. And that is why I am bringing you some of the best spring foods that you can eat now to detox your way into summer. And no, it's not your typical detox, because I don't really like that term, to be honest with you, because you think of not eating and all of that, but really a detox in the healthy way is kind of just restarting your system, flushing out the bad stuff, getting in the good stuff. You really can start from scratch if you just eat a few healthy foods, and I'm gonna show you some of my favorite spring finds with my help from Kaya here. So stay tuned for that. As you know, I'm a holistic nutritionist. My name is Jess. I have 4 kids, and I'm a busy mom too. So I like to help you guys find the quickest and easiest way to feel your best, look your best, and just do your best for your kids. So let's get into it. All right, I recently started buying from Misfit's Market. I don't know if you guys have heard of them. No, this is not sponsored at all. I'm just a really big fan. I really like that they partnered with Imperfect Foods. So you can find produce that you may not see on store shelves necessarily, but it's super good quality. A lot of it's organic. It's cheaper than you buy in the stores, which I like, because there's that stigma that buying healthy food is more expensive. It's really not. Sometimes you just have to know where to look. So I'm going to show you some things that I would buy all year round, and then some things that are especially great for spring. So let's get into the boxes. My favorite find are these mushrooms. They have a mystery mushroom box every month, or every week, I guess. Don't those look good?
Yeah.
She thought they were marshmallows. Look at these marshmallows. Look at these mushrooms. I don't even know what they are. I think it just says mystery. But look at those things. I think these would be absolutely great sauteed in a pasta. I mean, you could even make tacos with these. I made you that. Yeah. It's squishy like a marshmallow. It definitely feels like a marshmallow. Maybe I can trick my other kids. It does not say what they are, but who cares, because they look delicious. So mushrooms are great. I also got these cremini mushrooms, which are basically baby portobello mushrooms. If you see cremini, that means baby portobello. So that is this. Asparagus. It is asparagus season. So buy your asparagus. It is absolutely great for fiber. This is a detox food for sure. It does make your pee smell disgusting, so just keep that in mind. It's not a bad thing. It just means that the sulfur is working through your body. Then Romanesco. So recently I went to a restaurant and they had fried Romanesco. I don't eat tons of fried food. I used to never eat fried foods, but sometimes that's all you have. It's a barbecue place and my family loves going there. And now that I've tried the fried Romanesco, you can do this in the air fryer. So yummy. It's basically a mix between broccoli and cauliflower. You can see those florets. It's a very pretty looking vegetable.
It is a marshmallow.
So that's another really good one. And then kale. I love myself some kale, especially the curly kale like this. I prefer to buy it on the stalk just because you get more for your money, and then you can also do whatever you want with it. Massaging it in a kale salad is fantastic. You just have to know how to do it. Sometimes you get kale salad, you're like, it's really not that great. But if you have a good dressing, you have the acidity in there, and you literally just massage it with your fingers like that, this is a great detox food. Want to touch that? And then this guy. So this is a watermelon radish I pulled out. I'm like, what is that I ordered? But I totally forgot. I'm going to cut this in half and show you guys what it looks like, because it is ready for this on the inside. So be back. Look at that bad boy. So radishes are another great detox food. I love putting them on salads. You can also saute them, but really just eating them raw is so good. I wish you could smell it. It smells like your typical radish, a little bit on the sweeter side, and they are just so pretty. It makes your salad look fantastic. And who doesn't want a great looking salad?
I love this on salad.
Isn't it so pretty?
Yeah.
A little bit spicy, but that's a good thing. And then also Brussels sprout season. I love air fried Brussels sprouts. Just chop them in half, put your favorite seasoning on them, throw them in the air fryer. They become crispy, a little bit soft. So good.
I love these. These are so good.
Cucumber, also a great detox food. You can put these in smoothies. Just put the whole entire thing in. I I mean, if you're making a huge smoothie, I wouldn't eat the whole thing by myself, but there's tons of water in them, very low calorie. Again, great on salads. This is just some cabbage. Cabbage is great. I don't remember ordering cabbage.
I thought that was lettuce.
Apparently, I did. So cabbage is another great food. You can saute this, or I like to use it in wraps, like with a salmon burger or veggie burger. Really, really good. Organic rainbow carrots, also another great food. I love that these come in the different colors. It just makes, again, your salad so pretty. I like to shave them with a cheese grater. Makes it really good. Who doesn't like apples? These are Honeycrisp apples, which in the store are really expensive. Here they cost the same as a Gala apple. So definitely get your hands on some of these while you can.
Take the kid that does our marshmallows.
Okay, I like that idea. She loves her brains. And then just some normal carrots too. We love our carrots around here. This is dried mango. This was for my son.
Oh,
And these, I love a good crudité. So the colorful little bell peppers are so much fun. And Kaya actually really likes the colorful bell peppers. And I am all for getting my kids to eat any kind of food that they can that is healthy. So I got these mainly for her. And then limes. There's a lime. Lime is great to put acidity on your food, put in a dressing, put in your beer or margarita. So many great uses for limes.
It's not what I'm.
Green onions. The difference between a green onion and a chive is just the size. Chives are really skinny. Green onions are a bit thicker. Usually recipes only call for the green part, but you can use the bottom and saute it. I mean, cut off this part. But they're also great roasted. If you haven't, or barbecued, if you haven't barbecued them before, super good. Eggplant is a great thing for spring. I love me some eggplant. Just saute it up. You want one that is a bit lighter for its size. If it's heavy, it's usually dense and a bit bitter. So keep that in mind.
I don't really like.
I made the mistake of making an eggplant that was probably a little past its prime for my family, and now they don't like eggplant. So that was my bad. Don't do that. Always feed your family the freshest, tastiest vegetables so that they learn to love them. And then organic peanut butter. It's a little bit smashed, but I think that's just from shipping. Once I let the air out, see, it's closed. But once I open it all the way up, I think it'll expand to its normal. This is creamy organic peanut butter. Finding organic peanut butter is really a must. GMO free.
Mom, I love peanut butter.
I know you love peanut butter. My family loves peanut butter. And then mint, also great for detox. It's really good for your digestive system. If you have an upset stomach, mint is fantastic. Put it in your foods. Stuff like tabbouleh, which is a Mediterranean dish, is really good with lots of mint. You can put in your smoothies, just in your water. Great. This and the lime makes a great little drink, kind of a detox drink. You can have it first thing in the morning, mid-afternoon, just kind of wakens up your senses. It's a good one.
This is so good. I want to eat this one.
I know, me too. I'm feeling some salad right now. Are you guys in the mood for salad? I'm really in the mood for salad now. Yeah. Swiss chard. I love rainbow chard. I love the leaves for your salad. The bottoms are great sauteed. I mean, this with a little bit of orange zest and walnuts. Candied walnuts. So good. Great recipe. Another great detox.
These noodles.
And then I did get, they also have a lot of pantry staples. I just bought some other random pantry stuff. This is really good. Haven't tried this. Chicken ramen. This was on sale, and so I got it for my son. Just like a quick after soccer treat.
Mom, chicken.
Not treat, food.
Mom, chicken ramen is so yummy. I want to try it.
Ooh, Jack and Annie's crispy Jack patties. So these have 180 calories, 7 grams of protein, 5 grams of fiber. It's just with jackfruit, there is wheat. I don't eat a ton of gluten, but my son does sometimes. There's really not a lot of ingredients besides that. I mean, there's plant fiber, baking soda, paprika, turmeric, garlic powder, onion powder. So these seem like a great choice. There is soy flour. I am hoping that this is non-GMO.
Can I see it?
I'm not seeing where it says. I need to look into that. I'm gonna say
I love
that all of their products are non-GMO. I can't confirm that, but I am hoping that that is the case. And then corn nuggets. Actually, these are the chicken wings. My family loves the corn nuggets. It's a great alternative to chicken nuggets. I don't buy chicken nuggets, so this is a great alternative. They are soy-free and non-GMO, so that is important. And then Darian, plant chicken pieces. My son really likes these. This does have soy protein in it, but they're non-GMO and gluten-free. I'm okay with soy as long as it's in moderation and it's non-GMO, especially soy is fine. Soy is a phytoestrogen. It will not up your estrogen levels if your body doesn't need it. I mean, if you drank like 3 gallons of soy milk a day, that wouldn't be good for you, but everything in moderation. Again, as long as it is GMO free, soy can be fantastic. Edamame, fantastic. You just don't want stuff overly processed. A lot of times in stuff like this, it is really processed, so just keep that in mind. But I would say eating something like this is way better than eating a artificially inseminated bird that has a lot of hormones and antibiotics and stuff in it. So I can keep that in mind.
I'm gonna put this in my water.
Okay, we'll do that as soon as we're done. And then finally, probiotic cashew yogurt. Non-sweetened yogurt is fantastic. You can also do this for detox. There's so many recipes. I just made a really good pretzel yogurt protein recipe. Check that out on Instagram. I'll probably post it on my YouTube shorts as well. So there you have it. All of this, great for detox. I mean, just eating healthy, making yourself feel good. That is what detox is. It's not going on a diet. It's not changing everything about your life. It's kind of reevaluating your life. Oh yeah, I also bought some fresh parsley and fresh cilantro. Let me show you what I did with it. So I just put it in these mason jars right here with some water to keep it fresh in the fridge. It stays fresh so much longer this way. And it looks really good and it reminds you to eat it because a lot of times I buy fresh herbs and I just forget about them, that they are in a drawer tucked away in my fridge. So when it's like that up in your face, you'll use it a lot more often. And that is what we need. So whether it's fruits, vegetables, keeping them in your face and just eating as healthy as possible, making those small little changes so you can feel fantastic and have a great springtime and great summertime too. So next, watch this video right here to give you some more great shopping ideas to get you ready for the summer.
Guys, when we did this video, I was a baby at the time.
I don't know about that, but potentially.